Nina.
Nina Anna Penisic.
What's Tata's full name?
Maybe it's a Paul.
Paul? And what's Mama's full name?
And Mama is a Carol.
Oh!
Good girl, Nina.
Okay, but this is for the Nicole.
Madame
Yes.
Nicole.
And Madame Yvonne.
That's the one.
And that's Madame Nicole.
Look, it hurts.
It's a heart for Valentine's Day.
See the heart.
I see that.
You see
And
it.
that's a present for her teacher tomorrow.
That's
Valentine's Day.
that pizza on him.
I know you piece it on it.
I got a dash for you.
Yes. Is that okay? Now Mama's just gonna wrap it up.
I want it.
You wanna wrap it like this? Mama shows you. We're gonna go like this.
No, I'm not can. No, it goes on the present right here.
Oh, the present goes like this?
Right here.
Okay.
Then it goes right
Can we
here.
cover it like this? Like this?
No, I can't. It goes right here. It goes on the present.
Okay, but I want to wrap it. I can't wrap it?
I can't go the present.
Okay, just one then? Like this?
No, yes. It
Yeah.
goes here.
We can't wrap it?
Open.
I know, but Madame's going to open it tomorrow. Like
Don't
this.
pick your nose, Nina. Don't pick your nose.
See, like this. See? It's like this, the present. See? Is that okay? It's a dollar store frame, but you know what? It's something. Paul, what are you doing?
Yeah. I'll show Nina. You want to see, Nina?